To start, isomerism present in organic chemistry. What is isomerism? Iso means iso means same. Meros means part, means same part. Isomerism is a very important part of organic chemistry. How it is having same molecular formula but different physical properties and chemical properties. Like ammonium cyanate. Ammonium cyanate. Cyanate. Ammonium cyanate formula is what? NH4 CN4. This is ammonium cyanate. And urea. The urea formula is NH2 CO NH2. See, these two compounds NH4 CNO. This is ammonium cyanate and this is urea. This is an inorganic compound. Inorganic compound and this is organic compound. Organic. This one is inorganic, this one is organic. Whenever it is heated, we are getting, whenever ammonium cyanate is heated, we are getting urea. The formula is NH2CO NH2. But in this case, total number of nitrogen is how much? N2. If I put here, this will be N2, H4, C and O. And here you see, here also you are getting total nitrogen 2, total hydrogen 4, then 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. In this case, the molecular formula N2H4CO, here also N2H4CO. Having the same molecular formula, but their structural formula is different. One is ammonium cyanate, it is fully inorganic compound, and urea, that is NH2CO NH2, this is pure organic compound. That is physical properties, chemical properties, both the compounds are different, but their molecular formula same, N2H4CO, here also N2H4CO. That means percentage composition of nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen individual if you will find, and in this case also find, it will be same because same number of nitrogen here, N2, here also N2. That means percentage of nitrogen will be amount of nitrogen, that is 28 gram, but total molecular weight. Same process, percentage of nitrogen, but the percentage composition of each element in this compound will be equal to the percentage composition of each element in this compound. Will be same. That means molecular formula is same, but their structural formula is different. One is here inorganic. Just I am giving one example here. These two compounds are isomers. There are so many things are there, so many compounds are there. This is one of the examples I have taken here. That is isomers. These two compounds are called isomers. Another compound, let me see. Another compound I am taking. See, I am taking second example of isomers. Okay, iso means same, mers means part, same part. Means having same molecular formula. See, I have taken one compound having molecular formula C2H6O. This compound is arranged forming one is ether, another is alcohol. What is the name of this compound? This one is alcohol. What is that name? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, this is common name actually. This is common name. Ethyl alcohol, common name. So what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is ethanol. Ethanol. Okay. Ethanol, this is IUPAC name. IUPAC name. You know what is the full form of IUPAC? International. Tell me. International
Union
so,
of Pure and Applied Chemistry.
Okay. Ethanol, that is the IUPAC name. Another is ethyl alcohol, that is common name. This belongs to alcohol group. Okay. This belongs to alcohol group. You know what is alcohol? The alcohol general formula is ROH. ROH. This R stands for alkyl group. Alkyl group. Okay. This R stands for alkyl group. Already I have discussed before. Alkyl group. Another is OH is hydroxyl group. This one is hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl XYL hydroxyl group. Okay. Hydroxyl group. Means this is alcohol, ethyl alcohol. This belongs to alcohol group. Alcohol. The full general formula is ROH. R stands for alkyl group. OH stands for. This is the functional group. Name is hydroxyl group. The R. What is that? Alkyl group. The formula is what? Cn H2n plus 1. This is the formula of alkyl group, and the general formula of alcohol is ROH. What is the OH? Hydroxyl group. Therefore, one of the second example of alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Molecular formula is C2H6O. This is different, and this is different. Now you see, this is ether. What is that? Ether. Ether means here, one is methyl here, methyl here also methyl. This is oxygen, means dimethyl ether. What is the name? Dimethyl ether. Because two methyl groups are there, dimethyl ether. This is common name. This name is as for common name. Common name. What is IUPAC name? Since this is methane, therefore methoxymethane. METH, methoxy. Okay, methoxymethane. Methoxymethane. Because this is methane, methoxy. What is the general formula of? This is ether group. This one is ether group. What is the general formula ether group? ROR. Okay. R stands for alkyl group. This one is ether, but this one is alcohol group. These two compounds are isomers because they are totally different. The physical properties and chemical properties of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether are totally different. But their molecular formula is C2H6O. Same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers. Our main topic is today isomers. Discussion about isomers. Example, first example ammonium cyanide and urea. Second example I have taken ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. One is common name and another is IUPAC name. Already I have discussed what is IUPAC name. IUPAC name, this is common name. Methoxymethane. We will discuss more details about ether as well as alcohol. Just today our topic is isomer. There was just some slight brief discussion about isomers. Isomer is same, mers means part. Same molecular formula but different structural formula. Different physical properties, different chemical properties are called isomers. Let us go third example. Next I am taking third example like butane. Butane is a alkyl group. Butane formula is what? C4H10. This belongs to alkane group. You know what is alkane? So already I have discussed before. Alkane. The general formula is what? Cn H2n plus 2. This one is alkane. You consider butane. Molecular formula C4H10. Okay. This compound has two isomers. One is C. I have taken third example like butane. It is a alkane group having general formula CnH2n plus 2. It can be decomposed. It can be formed like how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. Just to write. That is CH3, CH2, then CH3. This one is called N-butane. This is called N-butane. Okay. This is called N-butane. Total carbon will be 4. Total carbon hydrogen 2 plus 2 4. 4 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. Total carbon 4, total hydrogen 10. But its name is N-butane as per the structure. Okay. Carbon valency 4. You know carbon atomic number 6, mass number 12, electronic configuration 2, 6, 2, 4. So the last shell contains 4 electrons, valency 4. Okay. Tetravalent. Carbon is a tetravalent element. This one name is N-butane. Now, so next one, it can be written like this: CH3, CH, another CH is right here, then CH3. This is a branch chain. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl. Its name is 2-methyl propane. This is IUPAC name. 2-methyl propane. But what is the common name? This one is common as isobutane. Isobutane. This one is IUPAC name. And this one is common name. See, in both the compound, structure is different. Here straight chain, this is a branch chain. This is straight. This one is straight chain, but this one is branch chain, and structure different. Okay. Therefore, the two compounds having same molecular formula C4H10, though it is butane, but its name is N-butane as it is straight chain. Second one is branch chain. 2 methyl group attached here. Here 1 methyl group. Here also methyl group. How to name? Carbon 1, 2, 3 means 2 methyl group. 2 methyl 1, 2, 3. 2 methyl propane. This is common name. Sorry, I have written mistake here. Just reverse here. Means this one is actually, just see, isobutane is common name. This one is common name. And this is IUPAC name. Okay. 2-methyl propane is IUPAC name. Isobutane is common name. My mistake I have written here. Just reverse it. 2-methyl propane is IUPAC name. Isobutane is common name. The two compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula. Therefore, these two compounds are called chain isomers. Okay. I will discuss what are the different types of isomerism, but here these two are chain isomers. Let us go next one. See, next I am taken pentane. It is alkane. What is the formula for pentane? C5. Pent means 5. Pentane. A-N-E, A-N-E. Alkane group. Pentane general formula is C5H12. According to the formula CnH2n plus 2. N equal to how much? N equal to 5. Now, this compound, single compound, it can be decomposed how many parts you see. I have taken one straight chain, that is called N-pentane. This will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. This is last one, CH3. This is called N straight chain. Total carbon you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hydrogen 2 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6. 12 coming. This is straight chain. This name is N-pentane. Next one will come CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. This one is 2-methyl butane or isopentane. Okay. This is a branch chain. That means here you are getting one part here, second part you are getting here, 2 isomers, and third one also there. Third one is that, you see. What is the third one? Keep carbon here, and here one methyl group attached, here also one methyl group attached, here also one methyl group attached, here also one methyl group. Total how many methyl groups are there? 4 methyl groups are there. How to name? 1, 2, 3. 2, 2 dimethyl, 2, 2. There are 2 methyl groups, 2, 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl, 1, 2, 3 means propane. 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Other name is what? Neopentane. NEO, neopentane. Neopentane. This is common name, neopentane. 2, 2 dimethyl propane, that is IUPAC name. Because here, as per the naming, 1, 2, 3 are the two positions. 2 methyl groups are there. Here one methyl group, here also one methyl group. Therefore, it is 2, 2 di. That means 2 dimethyl propane. Because 1, 2, 3 3 means propane. The common name is neopentane. But in this case, this is called isopentane because here 1, 2, 3, 4 at the point 2, here methyl groups are there. 2 methyl, 2 methyl, C4 means 2 methyl butane. Bute means 4. Okay, 4 carbons are there. 2 methyl butane. Other name is, common name is isopentane. Okay, means 2 methyl groups are here. 2 methyl means this isopentane because that is total carbon 5. This is a branch chain. This also branch chain, no doubt. This also branch chain. That means there are 3 types of isomers in case of pentane. That pentane has how many isomers? 3 isomers. One is N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane. N-pentane means straight chain, isopentane is also branch chain, neopentane is also branch chain. But here name is 2-methyl butane, but here 2,2-dimethyl propane. There are 3 isomers of pentane already I have discussed here. Next I am going to, this is all about chain isomerism. This is all about chain isomerism. This chain isomerism means, oh, this is straight chain, this is branch chain, this is branch chain. That means these are belong to chain isomerism. Okay. Next I am going to position isomerism. Let us see. See, let me discuss types of isomerism. Chain isomerism already I have completed. Next I will discuss about position isomerism. Position means position of double bond or position of triple bond or position of functional group. Okay, these two are called chain and the second one is position isomerism. Next is functional isomerism, for different between functional group like alcohol group, hydroxyl group or ethyl group like that. Okay, this is metamerism and this fourth one is stereoisomerism. See, 1, 2, 3 and 5 are called structural isomerism. This is called structural isomerism. Okay, and this is stereoisomerism. Other name is space isomerism or geometrical isomerism. Okay, the structural isomerism are of how many types? 4 types. One is chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and metamerism. And the stereoisomerism is, other name is space isomerism or geometrical isomerism. Now see, what is position isomerism? Just to see. See, I am taking one of the example of position isomerism. Position isomerism, take one example here. See, double bond here, total carbon 4. So what is the name of this compound? Butene 1 or but 1 ENE. Because double bond means alkene group. Alkene means what? ENE. Here alkene double bond present where? Is at the position 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore its name is but. Butene 2 or but 2 ENE. The 2 stands for the double bond at the position of number 2. But here double bond is at position number 1. Okay. Therefore but 1 ENE, but 2 ENE. The 2 are different in structure but having same molecular formula. What is the molecular formula? This total carbon you count here. Total carbon 4 carbon, 4 carbon, carbon 4 and hydrogen is how much? 8. C4H8. Okay. The molecular formula in both cases is same, but their structural formula different. Therefore, these two are called position isomers. Position isomerism clear? Means position of double bond or triple bond or functional group. Here double bond I have given here. If it will change like this, suppose CH3, this is CH2, then C, triple bond keep here, then CH. Okay. What is the name? This will be but 1 YNE because triple bond present. Carbon valency 4 should be satisfied here. And next one it will be CH3, C, triple bond C, then CH3. Okay. This name is but 2 YNE. These two are also position isomers. Okay. The molecular formula will be what? This molecular formula is C4H6. See here counting. As for the this one belongs to alkyne group. Alkyne, K-Y-N, alkyne. This one is alkene, E-N-E. Okay. The formula is CnH2n. Here formula is CnH2n minus 2. The first, this is alkene, CnH2n, general formula. I have taken one example here, butene, having two structures, that is called isomers, position isomers. Second I have taken butane, triple bond here, YNE, CnH2n minus 2, general formula. I have taken two isomers, okay, but 1 YNE, but 2 YNE. These are all about position isomerism, okay. Next, just it's the last one I will discuss today, that is functional isomerism. Already I have discussed here C2H6O. This is a molecular formula. This compound can be written as CH3OCH3. Here, this one belongs to ether group. This one belongs to ether group. ETH, ether group. Means formula is RO R dash. Or R dash may be equal, may not be equal. But this belongs to alcohol. Alcohol. Okay. The general formula is ROH. But here, the difference between functional group, functional group is here O, here OH. Therefore, the name is functional isomerism. Already I have discussed, just our name is functional isomerism. So today I have completed chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism. Okay, these are all. Next we will complete. Try to complete what is the difference between functional isomerism, position isomerism, and chain isomerism. Chain means straight chain, maybe branch chain. Position means position of double bond, triple bond, or any functional group. And in case of functional isomerism, means functional group is changing here. See, functional group is hydroxyl group. What is the group name? Hydroxyl group. The group name is hydroxyl. Hydroxyl group. Which group name is hydroxyl group, but this one is ether group. Written here, ether. Okay. The general formula is RO R dash, or R may be equal, may not be equal. R with R dash. And this one is ROH. R stands for, what is R? This R is alkyl group. This R stands for alkyl group. Okay. Alkyl group. Alkyl group. Denoted by R. The general formula is CnH2n plus 1 incomplete bond. Okay. This is all about today. Types of isomerism. What is isomerism? Already discussed today. Try to complete in the home. Revise all it. Next week we will complete remaining part of the organic chemistry. Thank you for today class.